Kasabay ng parada ng Canada Day ang Steves and Salmon Festival sa Richmond, British Columbia, Martes. Mula alas 10 ng umaga, umikot ito mula Gary Point Park hanggang Moncton Street at Railway Avenue. Isa sa mga Pinoy na musikerong kasali sa parada ay ang gitaristang si Rain Simpao. Ayon sa kanyang amang si Christopher, tumugtog din ang anak noong Canada Day 2024. Bagamat nasa spektrum ang anak, hindi raw iniinda nito ang malakas na tugtog. Sinusuportahan daw nila lahat ng practices at gigs ng bata.
Pag nakikita mo naman silang nag-enjoy, tapos gano'n, it gives you energy. Nasa stage siya, nag-enjoy talaga siya. So yung pag tumatalon na siya, kaya minsan sinasabihan ko siya, ingatan mo kasi baka bumagay yung stage. And kasi yung anak ko is actually may autism siya, but he's functional. Pero doon namin na-realize na dapat bigyan nyo ng chance talaga sila. So para makapag-excel.
Ayon sa bandmate niyang si Emil Loquera, tuwing Sabado, magkasama silang mag-ensayo ni Simpao. Hindi raw sila nag-aaway sa banda. Mas challenging daw para sa kanila ang masanay tumugtog sa ibabaw ng float.
Getting used to the floats because you're constantly moving and it's also the sun, it gets really hot.
Ayon sa guitar teacher ni Simpao na si Aldrich Anchieto, antemano, hilig daw ni Simpao ang rock music. Kailangan lang daw ng suporta at tiyaga. Masipag daw talagang mag-practice si Simpao.
Actually depends on how many hours do they actually put in. Because I know Rain, he really likes to practice by himself. And yeah, he just learns new songs by himself. And before he comes into practice, he does a little bit of 5 to 10 minutes self-practice. And then when he comes into the band, he's like really ready to kind of play. Yeah, they really like rock music.
Hinihikayat ni Christina Della White ng CW Music ang bandang Music of Six ni Simpao na mag-perform sa iba't ibang venue. Nakakabuti raw ito sa kanilang kahusayan bilang musicians.
We have several students at our school that have special needs. So I've actually had the privilege of teaching children with being on the spectrum. And these children, they are so inclined to do great things with their talent. So with music, they feel accepted on stage when they really get into it and people feed off of that energy.
Sumali rin sa parada ang ilang batang nakabike at nag-almusal sila ng pancake habang may live music at art show. Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Richmond.